Byyyees. How y'all doing today? Hey, it's Sunday. Hey, and it's Sunday. Hey. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lord, it just don't want to act right, Jesus. It don't want to act right, y'all. It want me to look crazy on the camera. Okay, there we go. Well, hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Jazzy J. How are you all doing this week? Like, how are you doing? I mean, I know it's been a whole week, but so much happens in a week. I am doing well. I am doing very well. God has been faithful, and He is always on time, y'all. Always. Don't ever forget it. He always on time. And this, look, it don't want to act right. So if y'all see it, fold up, don't pay it no mind. Don't pay it no mind. This week, I wanted to come and show you guys 5 different ways that you can style this banging ponytail. Okay? Because I know, it could get boring just wearing the same style. But there are 5 different styles that I like that you can do to this banging pony. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? So you can make this stretch for 2 weeks, y'all. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay? So, I am going to get right to it. Style number 1. Style number 1 is just a simple side ponytail. So all I did was take my hair out of my bun, and I combed through my hair to make sure there was no tangles in it. And I just flipped it to the side. And there you have it. Style number 1. Style number 2. Style number 2 is just as simple as style number 1 with an added step. All I'm doing here is braiding my hair to the side. And once I finish braiding it, I will secure it with a rubber band at the end. Once I put the rubber band at the end, I'm going to fluff the braid out to give it a bigger effect. You'll see. Style number 3. This has to be my most favorite style, and it's just as simple as style 1 and style 2. So here I'm just going to take 6 rubber bands, and I'm going to place them separately down the ponytail. Once I get all of my rubber bands placed, I'm going to fluff out the hair in between each rubber band to make it kind of look like a bubble. Once I finish that, I'm going to take my gold beads and I'm going to place them on top of each black rubber band. But you actually can wear it without the gold beads, but I like to be a little bit extra. This is a whole look, y'all. It's giving me some African vibes, alright. Style number 4. So for this style, all I'm going to do is take the hair and put it in a 2-strand twist. I'm going to make sure the 2-strand twist is twisted tightly, because once I secure it at the end with the rubber band, it's going to loosen up.
Style number 5, the most beloved bun. All I did here was take the twist from style number 4 and wrapped it around my ponytail and secured it with a twist tie. Oh, and of course, I have to jazz it up a little, so I decided to add a headband too.
So guys, that is it. That is 5 different ways that you can wear your banging pony, because I know you're going to get tired of wearing it in just one style. So I just thought I should show you how you can wear it in different styles. And you know what? You can come up with your own styles. If you ended up purchasing this banging pony and you have installed it and you are styling it and it's different than what I showed you, please show me, honey. This thing, I think I'm going to have to starch this the next time. Because it just, next time I wear this, I need to have some starch. Because look at it, it just didn't fold it up again. Do I have anything encouraging for you guys? Let me think. Of course I do. Of course I do. So this week, I'm going to talk about being persistent in your prayers. So a lot of times we pray to God for certain things that we want, certain desires that we have. And a lot of times God doesn't answer them right when we pray them. And it's not necessarily that he's not going to give it to you. It could very well be that you're not ready for what you're asking for. Or it could be that you're asking for the wrong reasons. Now that's between you and God. Ain't got nothing to do with me. However, when we are praying to God, we are to pray expectantly and we are to pray persistently. And we have to continue to ask God for those desires. And when he gives you those answers, listen, okay? Don't try to think you know better than him, because you always end up in mess when you think you know better than God, okay? I don't know how many times we got to learn that, but I guess we got to continue to learn it. Anywho, don't try to go above God. Don't try to manipulate the situation so that you can get what you want. Be expectant and be persistent. Persistently pray and persistently ask God for what you desire. Our desires are not necessarily wrong to have, but sometimes God is like, nah, you're not ready for that. If I give it to you right now, you're going to mess it up. If he tells you not yet, honey, trust that there is a reason why. There's a reason why. Okay? Okay. But I don't want you to give up. I don't want you to just be like, oh, God's not hearing me or he's not going to give it to me. No. Keep praying. It takes time. Sometimes God has to change you. Sometimes he has to change your circumstances. Sometimes he has to change your surroundings. Sometimes he has to change your circle. I mean, it's a lot of different things God has to do sometimes, depending on what you're asking for, okay? So do not give up. Don't give up. God hears you. He sees you. He knows everything you're going through. He knows your desires. He knows. Your job is to be persistent in your praying. And whatever answer he gives you, accept it. I just want to thank you guys again for watching my channel. Thank you for my new subscribers. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? And I just want to say, can you please thumbs up this video? Like. Please comment. Let me know if you like the different styles I did. If you don't, give me some suggestions. You know, I'm open to all of that. Share, please, and subscribe. Subscribe. subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the bell to get the notifications when I upload my new videos. You'll never be out of the loop. You'll always know when I post a new video. As always, guys, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and always trust the process. Bye.